Yep, turns out you can now make money directly from Quora. You know, that popular question answer forum site. People can now monetize whatever weird shit they're posting there like this. It's all thanks to their new Quora Plus subscription, which basically removes ads and gives you a few extra options. And if you're someone who writes answers or articles on Quora, then you can participate in their monetization program. They share the Quora Plus revenue that they get from subscribers, and you can even charge for your own space, which is like your own forum there. It's basically like a subreddit. Pretty much anyone can start a space and monetize it, and they say some users will have the option to monetize their content outside, meaning that the answers that you write. I didn't know it was some users only. I thought everyone has it because I've always had it. And if I show you my dashboard, let's see how much I've made. $11? That's it? Yeah, there are a couple of reasons why this monetization is so low as of now. Even though my profile has gained 1 million plus answer views, the monetization has just been around for maybe just over a year. So you can see most of that revenue came from last year alone. And they are not sharing any ad revenue with you, even though they are running advertisements. They are just sharing the Quora Plus subscription fee. So whenever a Quora Plus user reads your answer, you get paid a little bit. So you can see one of those answers, even with fairly low views, has gained most of the income. But really, for 76,000 views on a platform like YouTube, for instance, I would easily gain at least $40 to $60, even $70, because YouTube shares ad revenue with you as well. That's why I say YouTube is the best place to be if you're a creator. I've said this before, regardless of where you make content, you have to be on YouTube. I do have answers with much higher views, but you can see they are all very old answers, and back then we didn't have any monetization, so I pretty much wasn't earning anything straight from this platform alone. I did generate a lot of traffic for my ad or my channel for that matter, but there wasn't any revenue sharing system as such. Now there is one, but it's not that good, mainly because there aren't that many Quora Plus users in my opinion, and the dashboard itself is not very clear. You can see here I have two articles posted near to one another. They both have similar views, and one of them has exponentially more earnings than the other. I think it's possible that I may have turned off the monetization for that second one. That's something you can do. You can selectively choose whether to have an answer paid or not. If you choose to have monetization on, that answer will be selectively shown to only Quora Plus users, and others cannot really access it. But it's not a standard paywall thing. They have something called adaptive paywall, and it's mainly used in the Quora spaces, where it will be shown to your paying users, but it will also be shown to some free users too, so that you can attract new readers to your space. I think that's a good idea. I haven't really been that active on Quora recently. I do get a lot of answer requests. I mean, if you're someone who answers a few questions, you will still get requests from other people who are asking questions. Maybe I should get active here once again and see if I can really make a difference. This platform is mostly working passively for me. I haven't really been interested in this as much. But what do you think of all this? Do you think this is a good attempt of giving you some revenue, or is this part of the end-shitification of internet as we know it? Either way, I thought you should know about this and realistically how much you can make. If you use Quora, can you tell me if you are willing to pay for some Quora Plus subscription? I mean, I personally wouldn't, because I just read a few answers every once in a month or so it's not useful for me. But I want to know your thoughts.